So it's that time of year where everything's a little bit spooky. What happened then? Anyway, we're going to make some Halloween jingles, yes, because we're all feeling very spooky. What is going on? We're going to make some Halloween jingles, especially for you, that you can use on your radio show, completely free, of course, because it is Halloween. Is that going to happen every time? Anyway, like and subscribe. Let's get straight into the video and make some spooky jingles. So then, here we are in Logic. Usual template. If you've not got that template, you can download it from the website, crayk.co.uk/YouTube, completely free to download. I've done a little script. We're going to just get that recorded first, get that in place. I don't think you can see it on the screens, but it's okay. It's okay. Just some generic spooky. Please stop. Okay, that's enough with that. Some generic Halloween type language. We'll make three. I'll make three. I'll show you how we're going to make one. Won't bore you too much. And like I said before, they'll all be available on the website for you to download very, very soon. So let's get on with it then. The jingle we're going to make, or sweeper if you prefer, is going to sound like this. The spookiest music. The scariest artists. This is Halloween on your favourite radio station. That there is our vocal. A quick listen. The spookiest music. The scariest artists. This is Halloween on your favourite radio station. Lovely. There we go. That's our vocal then. That's what it sounds like compressed. The spookiest music. Yes, very good. Very, very spooky. Let's cut all these up then. Can speed this bit up. There we go, then that's everything all cut up. I'm going to put them now on some vocal effects. So that's on compressor right now. Let's try this one on there. We might change these because I want to add some spooky sounds. The spookiest music. That works for now. The scariest artists. Then we'll do this one on chorus. This is Halloween. Let's drop that one up. I don't like the breath in between. Take that off there. What we've done before, nothing new here, and we'll finally just put we'll put that one on. Let's do that on there actually, and then we'll put this one on the chorus, and then we'll double that one up so we get this little delay, this stereo delay. You can hear that there. On your favourite radio station. This is without it. On your favourite radio station. There you go. On your favourite radio station. And we probably should get some sound effects. We shall hop along to Pixabay.com and do that. So here we are then, Pixabay.com. Where, well, things... a little bit creepy. There's a section on here. If you put in Halloween and then you go to sound effects section, there's lots of spooky Halloween type sound effects. So let's have a quick little listen to this one. What's this one called? Spooky Halloween Intro. Terrifying. We'll have that though. We'll download that. There we go. What else have we got? Scary sound. Yeah, okay, we can probably do something with that. What have we got here? Ooh. 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 And again. Do that again. I like that. Do we have Halloween atmosphere. Halloween strings. Okay, maybe not. Meh. Scary sound. That could work. A bit like a reverse sweeper sort of thing. What's this one? Spooky, scary sound. Okay, yeah. Oh, is that a wolf? We could do with a wolf. Let's try the wolf. Let's get rid of that. Okay. Okay. I can't do it better than that myself. That'll do. There's loads we can go through. What I'll do, I'll find a load, and we'll bring them all back to Logic.
Welcome back, my spooky friends.
Don't know what happened then. So I've downloaded some sound effects. I'm going to try and incorporate them into the sounds I already have, just because I ain't going to find sort of radio style sort of effects, stroke Halloween probably, but we can sort of work with what we've got. I found some wolf howls, I found some cackles, I found some sort of stabs and things, so we should be able to make something, hopefully, and make it sound spooky. Hopefully.
Spooky.
Right.
Let's get into it then. Let's get our clips in. What have we got here? Let's what's this? Let's try that one. Could work pretty well. See how that sounds.
The spookiest music.
Okay. I'll tell you what we'll do. We'll sort of build it as we normally would, and then add the sounds. I'm not going to put any whooshes in just yet because I know we've got stuff we can use. I like a little start bit. Let's have that bit there. So what we can do with sounds as well, we can always chop them up and take the bits we like. I might take some reverse sounds, which sound a little bit like this. So I want some fast reverses. Okay. Let's just build that up then. Let's put that over here. That sounds like that. So we get this.
The spookiest music. The scariest artists. This is Halloween on your favourite radio station.
Okay. Need to play around with that a little bit, but we'll get to that. And let's work on some of these downloaded files with little bits of things. Will that work? Let's see. Let's see if that can work. Just maybe here to check that's in stereo.
The scariest artists. This is.
Cut that tail off. Might put something scariest artists right in there with that vocal.
This is Halloween.
Okay, I think we've got a bit of an impact thing somewhere. Where's that gone? Let's try that. Let's put that here.
The spookiest music. The scariest artists. This is Halloween.
We're getting somewhere.
The spookiest music. The scariest artists. This is.
Okay, let's just adjust all this.
The spookiest music.
Spookiest music. Into that.
The scariest artists. This is. The scariest artists. This is.
Have we got a cackle that goes? Sure, I downloaded one. Ooh, hello. Let's put her here. Don't know if this is a bit overload at the moment, but it is Halloween, I guess. Let's do that.
This is Halloween.
On your favorite radio station. The spookiest music. The scariest artists.
This is.
Let's go more there. Let's bring this up to here.
This is.
Halloween. On your favorite radio station.
What I might do is we want to get some sort of very textured sound, so let's duplicate some tracks, and we'll add some. Just take that off for now, and we'll put some pitch shifter, and then we can. I don't think you can see that on the screen, can you? Never mind. What I'm doing is I've added some pitch shifter, so we can change the pitch basically of what you can hear. Where's the mix? Let's put it fully on the mix. Let's get the Halloween bit, and we'll put that in the thing just below it, and we'll create like a double track, but a pitch double track, so we'll have a very deep sound underneath.
Halloween. On your favorite radio station. Halloween. On your favorite radio station.
Okay, let's add some delay, or some echo, I should say, onto that Halloween one.
Halloween. On your favorite radio station.
There we go.
The spookiest music.
Make that a little bit tighter. Spookiest music.
Music.
Bit more power.
The spookiest music. The scariest artists.
This is.
Halloween. On your favorite radio station.
I'm going to change that to there. I'm going to move that to there. I'm going to take that off there like that, because I don't think we need it after we hear it say Halloween. Let's keep playing around.
Artists.
Biggest artists. Scariest artists.
The scariest artists.
Could do something there, can't we? Let's find another sound. Let's see what we've got in here, actually. We've got some... Ooh. Let's try that. And add something else maybe to it. Let's add another track. So let's just duplicate this track for now. Duplicate track. I think it might be a little bit too loud, so we'll just put that in the background. We'll set it like this. Over there. Pan it to the right a bit. And then we'll find another sound effect. Let's go back to our sound effects. And let's have a look in the folder that's called Noise Breaks. Here we go. Does that one work?
Artists.
This is.
Halloween. On your...
I'm going to take that. I want a little bit more of that laughter. Ha 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 ha. Halloween.
Halloween. On your favourite radio station.
Or do we leave the Halloween out? Use it underneath this.
On your favourite radio station.
Okay.
The spookiest music. The scariest artists.
This is.
This is. That needs to be tighter.
Halloween. On your favourite radio station.
Okay, we're getting somewhere now.
Halloween. On
This needs to go more that way. Let's try that.
Halloween. On your favourite radio station.
Let's bring these in a bit. Let's get it right under there. See what that sounds like.
Halloween. On your favourite radio station. The spookiest music. The scariest artists.
This is
Halloween.
Just going to bump the compression up on the cut wobble. Give that a bit more.
The spookiest music.
And the same on that one. So we're just titivating might be the word. Just checking, mixing down basically. Checking levels. Make sure everything's sounding quite nice.
The spookiest music. The scariest artists.
this is
Halloween. On your favourite radio station.
Okay, we're getting somewhere.
On your favourite radio station.
I'm going to put some delay on that.
On your favourite radio station.
There we go. And I want to do a bit more with this.
Halloween. On your favourite radio station.
is
Halloween. On your favourite radio station. Artists.
this is
Does this work better or does that one? Let's have a look.
this is
Halloween. On your favourite radio station.
Do we as well? We could do, I guess. We could do. We could have a little bit more spooky talking. Where's that gone? No, hang on. Undo paste. Right channel, Craig. Like this.
On your favourite radio station.
Let's turn it down a little bit. And let's, well, what we'll have to do is, because it's going to be all on the same side, let's put it over that side for now. Like this.
On your favourite radio station.
There we go. It's sounding better.
The spookiest music. The scariest artists.
this is
Halloween. On your favourite radio station. The spookiest music. The scariest artists.
this is
Halloween. On your favourite radio station.
There we go. There we go. We've made a Halloween sweeper, jingle, whatever you want to call it. We'll make sure those are available to download on the website, craigk.co.uk/YouTube. You can find all of the packages as well. There's a breakfast package. There's Christmas jingles as well, which are going to be available for you to use this Christmas. There's also generic stuff as well and other bits and pieces which you're very welcome to download for free and use them on your internet or community radio stations free of charge. You can also find the templates on there as well, links back to the YouTube channel and the Patreon as well, where you can join and become a member of Make Some Noise and keep it going. And don't forget, hit that subscribe button, and I'll see you next time.